up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here using the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. I die with this palette, like there are no words. It's so beautiful, and I had so much fun playing with it. Like, it's incredible. As you can see, the pigment is insane. I am a massive fan of all the Violet Voss products. Their lashes, their eyeshadow palettes, they are my favorite. I love, 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 love. So of course I was obsessed with this palette as well. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Click that little bell right next to it as well. That way you do not miss out on a single video, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Mwah! So I'm gonna grab my new Violet Voss Flamingo eyeshadow palette. I am obsessed. When I first saw this, I died. Like, it is the perfect tropical palette. It is so pretty. I got it in the little collection bundle thing that came with the Flamingo palette. It also came with a really pretty beach towel. There's like this big round, looks like a donut, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to go to the beach and use that. You're probably gonna see plenty of photos of that beach towel. So the first color in the palette I'm gonna grab is going to be Coral, this beautiful pink shade right here. And I'm gonna use my Morphe E28 brush for that. And the next shade in the palette that I'm going to grab is going to be the color Watermelon, so this one right here. And I'm going to pop that on with my MAC 217 brush. The next shade in the palette that I'm going to grab is going to be the color Watermelon, so this one right here. And I'm going to pop that on with my MAC 217 brush. And to carve out the crease, I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to use my MAC 195 brush. Pat a bit of the concealer on, look straight ahead, and then you can see it's kind of created a little bit of a crease. So that's where I get my marker from, just to know how high to go. That way when I look forward, I have that perfect line. Now I'm going to set that in place straight away just so it doesn't move. So I'm going to grab the Lemonade shade here, and I'm going to use my MAC, oh, I've had this for so long, the name has run out on it. I feel like it's the 239. It's just a perfect flat eyeshadow brush. So I just did my wing off camera. So now I'm going to pick up the shade of Flamingos over here, and I think I'm going to mix a little bit of the Sandals as well, just to get a really nice deep color. And I'm going to put that on with my BH Cosmetics No. 8 brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give a bit more definition to the crease. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to grab the shade Ocean Front here and a little bit of Beach Ball. So I'm going to mix the two together and pop that underneath. And I'm going to use my MAC 217S brush. So this one is just a flatter version of the 217. And I'm just going to grab my Urban Decay Electric Eyeliner Pencil and pop that in the waterline. So now I'm going to pop some mascara on, and I'm going to grab my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And for false lashes, I'm going to grab my Violet Voss Dolls Just Want to Have Fun lashes. These ones are so big, so epic, so over the top and amazing. Alright, so just did my brows off camera. If you want to see how I do my brows, then pop on my Instagram because I do have a little tutorial on there. I think I will do a brow tutorial, but I'm not sure if you guys want to see that or not. So if you do, pop some comments down below and let me know if you want to see my in-depth brow tutorial. Last but not least, I'm going to pop a lipstick on. So I'm going to grab my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Girlfriend. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you learned something from it. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell right next to it so you get all the notifications and you do not miss out on a single video. Give this video a thumbs up as well if you liked it. Pop some comments down below. You guys know the drill. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!